In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Carrom Pool app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get this Carrom Pool app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store and then open it. From Play Store, you should see a search bar on top, but first you need to go ahead and log in with your Gmail. If you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon. You can tap on it and then just search for the app by name. So I'll just search Carrom with the double R and then Pool. If I hit on search here, you can see we have the app here. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from miniclip.com. And at the time of recording this, the app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 7 million reviews. And currently the app has over 5 million downloads. This might have changed by the time you are watching this. And currently the file size for this app is around 117 MBs and the tagline is disk game. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Carrom Pool app. So if I tap on install, this will go ahead and begin downloading the latest version of Carrom Pool and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on play here, or if you go to your app, look for the app and open it to start playing this app. So that's how you can install Carrom Pool on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.